Hello people, this is the Guitar Sound Brazil and today I will show you the Korg A5 Multi Effects unit, alright? First of all, in 2023 when I bought this one, I was searching for those tutorials about this multi-effects unit and I only find it in Japanese, but now I am doing this English version. So let's do it. First of all, the input section, there is the stereo output, left mono or left and right. It got a volume for a volume pedal, phone, headphones, alright, the guitar input, the DC input, and the on and off button, alright. And this unit means to be a keyboard, the black keys here, alright. And then Korg was a great keyboard manufacturer, and in the 90s, in the beginning, 1990, it made this unit. It has the pre-gain, the post-gain from the pedal, alright? And it has 5 memories that you can access from these buttons and 6 memories that you can access from here, alright? It will show in the display, alright? 5, 6, or you will see it in the LED 2, 1, alright? But it's at 1 here. How to use its memory section? We are in the first bank. Here is the first number here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, alright? Now we are at 1, alright? Let's put some gain. I will use a noisy Stratocaster with single coil, alright, for noisy output. So the first of all I will show you is the 6, right? The noise reduction. You turn the edit button and you will see noise reduction level and the master. I will put the master at maximum and the noise at minimum. A little noisy and all turn it on. Alright, so what do we got here? I am editing the first bank memory. So I will put on 1. And what is turned on here? Everything minus the compressor. I want to turn the compressor on. So I put the LED on. I press the button. So I will write it, button, and the edit button. Now the compressor is on. When I'll see the edit button, its LED is on. Now off. I will put the distortion off. Right button, edit button. Alright. Off. Alright, it's 1. Let's see it, the result. Alright. It got the delay, the flanger, the other effects. Alright. Let's put more gain. The peak button. It does a little clipping, alright? It's no good for the quality of the sound. The output at maximum and the output. So let's see all the effects, alright? Distortion. When you put the edit, you can turn it on or off. Compressor, just distortion. let's edit the compressor, alright? No, nothing here, the sensibility, alright? When you see the dot here, beside the number, it's where the memory is saved, alright? So it's at 5, the sensibility. Let's raise it. Alright, the master level of the effect. Zero to maximum, and the attack. Alright, 0. Seven, it's the maximum of the attack. 0 from 7, 0 to 15, 0 to 15, all the panel, alright? So let's edit the distortion. Which mode we are dealing? 2 is overdrive. First is distortion. Alright, you see here, first 1 is distortion, 2 is the overdrive. A little harshy, alright? It's my daughter in the background. So let's put the drive off. The gain. 2. It's an overdrive. Distortion. Overdrive. 5 gain. Distortion. Let's see, it's natural, so I will zero the noise. Alright, now it's natural. Put it on all gain. Now it's on distortion. It's on maximum. Alright, so let's put it on distortion. Now you will see the tone, the mid frequency. All off, 15. Alright, the overdrive. And the memory bank was at the 14, alright? Now the level, the effect level, right? Put it on maximum and a little bit less distorted at 10. Now we are going to see a great effect, the 3-band equalizer. I love this equalizer. Now let's see what it does. the bass in this first button. From I put the 3-band EQ, and I will search for the settings, alright? It's from -6, 7 to more 7. All bass, 0 flat EQ to -7. No bass, justice for all bass. Alright, let's see the mid frequency. What is mid frequency? It's what you don't know to do with the metal zone. This is the frequency you want to boost or get less of it. Alright, so 1, it's the mid bass. 4, it's on a scale 1 to 8. It's the middle at 1000 hertz. 5, it's around it, and here it's a mid-high. Alright, I love mid-high, sorry. Treble, oh, it's the trim, the volume of the EQ. This is the treble, right? -7, 0, all the treble. The Megadeth treble. Alright, this is the modulation settings, alright? Let's put it on 0. The first one, when you see it, it's 1 and 2 are flangers, alright? 1 and 2 flangers, and you can choose the speed of the effect. It's 1, all speed on, depth, feedback, no feedback, and the volume, the mix. Let's put some depth. No treble. It's on a strat. This pedal, it has the whole pedal board in it. It's a marvelous of analog effects with digital controls, right? So let's tune this flanger, alright? Let's see the speed. Less speed, more depth. Good. 2, flanger 2. Alright, let's see the chorus section. 3. The depth of the chorus, less depth, more depth, less speed. More feedback. Beautiful. The other chorus. Zero feedback. Whole feedback. Let's see the slapback echo. The repeater, you know, you talk and he talk back. It's good for soul. No feedback. All right, a little feedback. All right, I don't like it so much here because I would leave in the chorus. So let's see the reverb delay sections. First of all, hall, E and S hall, the room reverb, plate reverb, live stage, echo verb, and the pure delay. Let's begin with the delay. So, all feedback off, all feedback on. No fine delay, alright? The fine delay at 10. The time. Alright, let's turn it on first. The whole feedback song. This is the the multiplier for 10 button, you know. It means 0, 10 milliseconds, 2, 3, 13, 14, 15, 16, you know, until 19. This one has the 100 multiplier. So we got 0, so here we got it from 0 to 19 milliseconds, and here we got the 100 milliseconds, 110, 120, 130, you know. Here's the fine tuning of the delay, alright? The multiplier from 10 and the time until 400 milliseconds. And you can reach 4900 milliseconds delay. Alright, let's put some feedback. $4,500. Alright, this is the delay. Let's zero it. Now we are going to see the reverb. 6 is the echo verb. Let's see the stage. The plate. The room. Alright. And this is the ENS hall. All the reverbs, you can turn it because it's predetermined, alright? Now the hall. Beautiful, right? Let's put it on stage. Was in the 10 dot. A little less volume on it. So now we are going to save this preset, alright? How we do it? Again, press this button, the LEDs you see, the left and the right one, and now it's saved, alright? I put it on, and it's on the first bank, alright? Let's deal with the utility, the noise reduction. Let's reduce the noise. The whole noise reduction and the whole master volume of the effect. Now it's on the one bank and it's saved, right? Edit. It's in the first bank. I want to see the second bank, but this switch on to, you can put the edit, what it's turned on, everything less the compressor. Let's turn the compressor on. Let's save it. Now it's on. Now it's on the bank 2. What is turned down in 3? Everything. On 4. It's clean now. Equalizer, reverb. 5. No distortion. Another clean setting with a lot of delay. sound we made it. What's happening here? Alright, let's save it. It's a little chaotic. It's on the 5. Alright. Alright. Now it's saved. Alright. You can 2, 1, 3. So this is the Korg A5 Moody effects, alright? You have seen it on a Marshall and with a dual rectifier preamp, right? I would like to play a little more, but I will spend a whole day showing you the features from this Moody effects unit. So I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, let's subscribe my channel, please. And this is the Guitar Sound Brazil, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. So many thanks. Leave your like, subscribe, and I'll see you around.